Hello everyone, welcome to Airplane Story 2. This is probably my second favorite Airplane Story game. My favorite is Airplane Story 3. Check these games out, they're actually really fun. There's 4 of them. Sorry, I'm dying. Lathan's in this video, of course. Lathan. Do that, Golden. Bro, is that a potato? Purple potato? I'm so good at this. Bruh. Don't kill me now. Come on, man. What is they hiding, man? I saw it, Lathan. Wait, I'm saying it right, yeah. What did I do? I didn't do anything, but I'm glad to be here. Yay! See my smile. Give me some water. I don't care. Oh man, that's pretty bad. Bruh. If he kills us all for saying hi, and then saying bye, I would laugh. Bruh. Bro! Bruh, I was gonna let him get locked. I thought that was pretty funny. Who hit me? Ow. But what happens if I don't want to sit down? Richard, you should have died, man. Ronald McDonald? You're welcome, Ronald McDonald. McDonald. I don't care. I didn't vote for you. I voted for the other guy. I am no hero, but I'm gonna take that. You have a delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Food is not ready yet. This chef has messed up. What? Throw that chef off the plane, off this plane. Bruh. Is it gonna kill him? Have fun. Dang. Bro's gonna get thrown out the plane. Okay. Get ready. We need more people. Can't lose you. Nah. Time to cook. She really gonna cook? Butter. Potato. Pepper. And he's my friend's dog. Fish. Ugh. Actually kind of like fish. Grapes. Bro, who said that? I won't be eating this because it has grapes. Nathan! Go take a seat! Thanks, BB, someone, Viber. Don't know names, man. How did I end up here? Lisa's on camera again. Nitro type. I suck at nitro type. I can't figure no code out. What's up, Ronald McDonald? Hello again, sorry I had to leave early. I don't care, Ronald McDonald. I had to, eat cookies. Get everything ready. Yeah. It looks like you ate too much cookies. Anyways, as our very special guest, I will let you sleep in my presidential bedroom. For some reason I can't find the key. Bro! Bro, she found it so fast. One bed. Let's go! We all get a bed. Sus. Bro, Lathan almost had me dying. This isn't gonna feel comfy. I might just sleep on the floor. I might go back to the chairs, you know? Just gotta go walk back. I can't get out! Who put an invisible wall there? What time is it? Cookie time. Wow. I couldn't tell. Time to have fun. Let's go full on WWE. Punches. Ow. You hurt me. I'm suing you. Nah. Nah. Who is that? It's a monster. What monster? I'm kidding. I know of a monster. Hi, Tam. Run! Let it know. I'm not dying. I think people died. I think 2 people died or something like that. I think 2 of us are dead, guys. We need to go find the bodies. Ah! Ow. What out? How did I get burned to death? Dead. Kelly. You don't say. Okay, Kelly, get close to the wall. I do that. I went on the Florida fire cam. I know I'm about to die. I can't die. But I never escaped the first time. Oh god, not again. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. It's an escape. Why me? Why? Help me. Take someone else. Eat someone else. My bad. How did Kelly not die? Kelly! Yeah! Not everyone. 2 people died. Due to the fire. I didn't follow you here. It made you come here. What? Kelly? Kelly! Because I'm not just a pilot. I'm also a secret agent, and I know lots about this monster. What happened to President Ronald McDonald? He had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one even liked him. There was something about planes. He was always so obsessed with planes. In a scary way. He liked to read news about planes, about plane crashes. Wow. So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. So his spirit still chases people like you guys because he blames you for his death. What did I do? Yeah. I'm dying. He could be any agent or even the president. I'm not sure yet. Take this gun. I want it. Give it to me. Kelly. I'm shooting the president. Bro, you get us killed. It's Ronald. He looks kind of red. Wow. We know one of you is the monster. You are making a huge mistake. We are not monsters. Cook the cat. Don't try. He's a little red. I think it's Ronald. I think it's the agent, actually. Shoot the agent! You. Nah. Nah!